Hey, did we take a quick tour in Android Studio and we try to install some missing files that we needed to build our application, and we install the emulator and other stuff. So to get started, we left in previous video left on this screen. So version 2.4, make sure to close it first. Then reopen Android Studio and search on by click on it in Windows or whatever. Just close it and reopen it again, because there is some file maybe make a problem between installation and running time, so make sure to clear everything. Now I want to start. Just I click here, start new Android Studio project, give it name. I will name it Android Demo Test. Just make sure here give it name and don't add any space. Then click next, 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 then finish. It will take some time until he will create the application for us. Here we go. This is Android Studio. I just close it and see this is Android. Make sure always see this one. You don't have any running and wait until this be clear. Now, hey, I'm clear. No more problems. See here he's saying, hey, there's a problem, you have it. So to fix this problem, first let me install missing files before fixing any problems. So I will go here on the SDK manager and click on it and make sure at least one of these installed. I have Android Nougat. You could install more by adding add, then click apply, but I don't need more. I'm happy with one only. SDK tool, let me see some tools that we needed to build our application. So going down, Android Studio install it. We don't have any problem. Going here, see this is we needed. We need the Android constraint for constraint layout, constraint solver. We need both of these. Google Play services, we needed. Bowling, I'm not sure I need bowling. Google Driver, I needed. Yeah, this until you needed to make your application faster. NDK, I'm not trusting on it now. Now I have everything that I needed, I believe. Yes, I think all the files that I needed now. I just click on it, see how I just highlighted, and I click apply. He say you need to install these. I say yes. He will take some time and he will install all these files. He say, do you agree? I say yes, I agree. But if you see, he say, hey, there is a problem here. Okay, accept and make sure this one I'm accepted. I want to accept everything. Just select everyone and select accept. See, make sure everything is accepted, because then this one extra was denied. So make sure this one you change it to accept, and this part is accept. So next will be enabled. Now click next. Wait for some time until he install these files. Here we done. He say, hey, how much memory you want to use for your emulator? Yeah, I would say leave it by default will be better. And click next. He asks for password. Give it computer password. Here we go. You will see the screen. I just click finish. Then he say look for update. You don't have anything. I just click OK. Here we go. Now I have the screen and he done. I think now whenever you see error message like this one, always make sure to click on it and click add. He will install it for you and you don't need to bother yourself for unnecessary things. Again, with this error, he will take some time until he do everything for us. When he done, just click on this one, refresh, so he will refresh the missing files for us. Always Sync is tool using for synchronize your project again. So because we did update, we need to do sync for our project. Now we done. Here we go. Now it look fine. If I just click on messaging, I have to see no error. That's great. There is no error. Everything is cool. Now what I want to run this application on Emulator. If you see this activity, you don't see anything now, but if you just increase it, you see hello world. I have to see it in Android device. So how I could run application inside Android Studio? I could run using Emulator. So how I could define my emulator? Just go here, on this one, and it's named Avd Manager. I click on it, you see this space. This one allows you to create your own Android emulator. I just click here, say, hey, do you want to create emulator? I say yes. See, there's different type of emulators I could create. I could create Pixel, any type of device you would like it. Let me select Pixel XL because this is the last version from Google. Click on it. If you see, I don't have anything. I don't have any OS. You know, if you have device in Android, you have to have OS for that device installed in that device. Now I have Pixel, but I don't have any OS inside it. So you could select any OS to have it inside that device. You could select, as I told you, I want to use last version, so I just click here Nougat and click download, so he will download last version for me. So I would use it as a OS for my emulator. Here we go, he done. Just click finish. Now I have it Nougat. If you see, now I have Nougat. He showed as Nougat, but it is 25. Should be, the title should be, the new one should be O, but he showed 4 because 24 is Nougat. Just their mistakes. So just click next, I don't care, and finish. Now this one, 25 have Android O version. Click here, close. Now I'm ready to run. Just click this run and you will see your emulator here. To run your application, just click OK. Here we go. After a while, you will see this screen, and that's great. If you see hello world, that's mean yes, everything is done. So what is this? This is Android emulator, exactly like any Android device, but this device is like emulator. This is software, not real device. But still, you could do a lot of functionality with this device. If you click here, you see here you could have a location GPS for this device, like using map to go to specific location in the map. By sending the location and click here, he will take you to that location, and many things you could do it with this device. Also, you could do cellular, you could have battery, increase it, decrease it if you want to have some tests on battery. You could send SMS, you could do call to this emulator. It look like any real, like any device, like you just call it again, see, dismiss. Also, you could do direction maps, is something new. Fingerprint, adding your fingerprint to the device. Sensors, you could use some sensors, it was not available in previous version. And setting and more. You could increase voice, decrease voice for the device, rotate it left, right, whatever you want to do with this device, you will be able to do it. So yes, it's great, everything's available this device. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Let's go next and start implement our first application.